Smart TVs are changing television. They connect to your internet. This brings many new things. Watching TV is more interactive. It is exciting for home entertainment. These TVs are adopted quickly. People really enjoy the new features. They offer more than old TVs. Old TVs only showed set channels. Smart TVs are very different. You can stream your movies, you can listen to music, you can play video games. Your TV is now smarter. It acts like a computer. It is a hub for entertainment. Smart TV popularity is growing. More homes are getting them. They offer great convenience. Entertainment is in one place. You do not need many devices. It simplifies your home setup. Everything is easy to access. This makes watching TV better. This new tech makes life easy. Find what you want quickly. No more endless guide scrolling. Smart TVs learn your taste. They can suggest new shows. This helps find new content. You discover things you love. It is a personalized experience. Hisense is a popular TV brand. They make high-quality smart TVs. Many people choose Hisense. Their TVs offer good value. They are known for great pictures. Screens are bright and colorful. Sound quality is also very good. Hisense provides a great experience. Hisense smart TVs have key features. They use systems like Vita, or they might use Android TV. These systems are user-friendly. Navigating the TV is simple. You easily find apps and settings. The menus are clear to understand. Everyone can use them easily. One standout is ULED technology. This is Hisense's screen tech. It makes pictures look amazing. Colors are more vivid and real. Blacks are deeper, providing depth. Contrast is much better. Movies and shows look great. You get a cinema-like view. Voice control is another top feature. Many Hisense TVs have voice remotes. This remote has a microphone. You can talk to your TV. This makes control very easy. It is a modern convenience. You don't always need buttons. Just use your voice to command. Setting up voice commands is easy. Most Hisense TVs make this simple. You need your voice remote. This remote has a special button. It has a microphone icon. Ensure your remote has batteries. The process is straightforward. You will be talking soon. First, connect your TV to Wi-Fi. Voice commands need the internet. Go to TV settings. Find network settings there. Connect to your home Wi-Fi. Enter your password if asked. Your TV will confirm connection. This step is very important. Next, pair your voice remote. Some remotes pair automatically. If not, check the manual. Usually, press and hold a button. Hold the remote near the TV. The TV will show when paired. This connects remote to TV. Follow any on-screen prompts. Finally, enable the voice service. This could be Google Assistant or it could be Alexa. Some Hisense TVs use Vita Voice. Go to settings on your TV, find Voice Assistant or similar, follow on-screen steps to activate. You might need to sign in. Using voice commands is fun. Find the microphone button. It is on your voice remote. Press and hold this button. Then, speak into the remote. Speak clearly and naturally. You do not need to shout. The remote will hear you. What can you say to your TV? You can ask it to open apps. Say open Netflix or launch YouTube. You can search for content, try find action movies or show me comedy series. It is very powerful and quick. Results appear on screen fast. You can also control TV functions, say volume up or volume down, or mute the sound now. You can change channels easily. Go to channel 5 for instance. You can also switch inputs. Say switch to HDMI 2. Basic controls are at your command. Voice commands make TV easy. Searching is much faster now. No more typing with the remote. It is great for everyone, especially if typing is hard. Hisense makes this magic simple. Enjoy talking to your TV. It makes your smart TV smarter.